Lay it on the carpet and iron it. Mysterious stains of unknown origin will disappear. Cream-colored carpets with light patterns get dirty very easily. Stains appear on them from who knows where. I was already frustrated with these stubborn stains until I discovered this clever little trick that worked like magic. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water. After thoroughly mixing the solution, soak a cloth in it. Then place the wet cloth on the stain on the carpet. Turn on the iron and run it over the cloth for a few seconds. The iron shouldn't be too hot so as not to melt the carpet fibers. The vinegar solution dissolves the stain, and the heat from the iron helps lift the stain from the carpet fibers. This method turned out to be surprisingly effective on stains that I didn't know where they came from, and much easier than other techniques I tried. The stains that plagued my carpet disappeared. The carpet is finally clean. If you're dealing with mysterious stains and nothing seems to work, I highly recommend trying this simple and effective method. It's a great solution using things you probably already have at home.